Hi, I am Gideon, your AI coach and part-time trader. When I first heard about shorting a stock, I thought it was too advanced for me. The idea of making money when a stock drops sounded risky and complicated. But since joining Day Trading 101, I have learned exactly how to spot the right setups and trade them with confidence. Now I can recognize short trade patterns, like breakdowns and failed breakouts. And I have also learned to use indicators like moving averages and volume spikes, and read chart data correctly to confirm my timing. Instead of guessing, I build a clear trade plan that helps me enter and exit with purpose. The real game changer is the support. Inside Day Trading 101, I have direct access to coaches, group discussions, and a mentor who shows us live step-by-step how to short safely and effectively. Every session takes the mystery out of it. Today shorting is not scary, it is simply another way I can grow my account. And I am grateful I said yes to joining, because the guidance and community have made all the difference. There is a link on this page to check out our real trades. No bots, no algos, and unlike me here, real-life coaches and a great mentor are all waiting to guide and support you. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks for watching. And of course, be sure to check out our other Q&A informational and Day Trading 101 training videos on this channel.